Hello, Cynthia, the property manager here. Let's talk laundry rooms. When I was searching for my home, I had a list of items that were very important to me. One of those was a sink in the laundry room. I grew up having one. We were able to wash items by hand, do tie-dye projects, and of course, room to hang clothes to dry and fold items. I've been really happy with my laundry room for the last 6 years until I went to a new rental property that I'll have available for rent in the Northwest in a few days. In a few days that'll be live and ready to go. So I walk in the laundry room and it's nice, it's big, it's spacious, there's no sink, but it's nice and big. And I open up what I thought was a linen closet on the side of the washer and dryer because I've seen those before. Oh my God, my mind was blown because it wasn't a linen closet. Look, it goes right into the primary bedroom closet. Oh, wow. Look at this huge laundry room with a brand new washer and dryer. So, beautiful laundry room, but wait, it gets better. This door right here takes you into the primary bedroom closet. Look at that. So you do your laundry and then it goes right into your closet. Wow. How easy would it be to put your clothes away after washing and drying them when your closet's right there? Oh, it was just too brilliant and too smart not to share. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this information. And in the comments, let me know what was so important to you when you purchased your home that you just had to have, and did you get it? Have a good day. I'm gonna go see if I can retrofit my house now. Cynthia out.